Hi, I'm Ree Drummond, also known as the Pioneer Woman, and today we are going to have an international cuisine for breakfast. Let's start off with these American sandwiches. How about these white sumptuous Chinese pork buns? How about this delicious Spanish paella? How about this Italian pizza? And how about this spicy and sweet Thai food? And here are some lovely French macarons. Let's add these fresh blackberries for healthier diet. And of course, some fresh salad. You can find this bowl I designed at Walmart. Hi, I'm Ree Drummond, also known as the Pioneer Woman, and I'm adding these blue corn chips for your meal. Well, I'm the smiling Ree, and I'm the real Ree. And I thank you for bringing in some blue corn chips. I'm also Ree Drummond from Barbie's The Pioneer Woman Plays It. I'm Ree. I'm Ree.